Hello everyone, now let's look at another computer tips topic, that is sticky notes. So how do we add these sticky notes or sticky pads? Well, what is this exactly, the sticky notes or sticky pads it is? So you have a sticky pads, the physical sticky pads, the same way, so you can have these sticky notes added on your computer, inside the computer, I mean to say. So if you want to make a note of any important things, like phone number or some user ID or password, or it can be some account number or something, so which you feel it as a quick reference, so just you wanted to have it, look at and just get the details. Mostly we'll if anyone is calling us on the call, maybe they say some notes, so if I can just quickly make a note of it in the stick pad, so making it as a priority, urgent, uh, non-priority and priority, that way. So okay, without wasting any time, let me show you where can we exactly find the sticky notes. Just go to search, just type it as sticky, and you can see the sticky notes here. Just select on this. Okay, so you can see that enable insights, not now. Okay, so now you can see there is a sticky notes, right? So you can see the sticky notes added here, so you can just mention like my login, my login ID, okay, my password or anything. So my mobile, some friend mobile number, friend mobile number or anything. Okay, so where you can see, just you can it will be coming at the bottom, so you can just hold on this and just we can move around anywhere. So just if you want to keep it here, you can, like this you can add multiple sticky notes. Okay, for example, if you are maintaining this only for the login IDs, okay, login IDs, my login IDs, okay, my Windows login ID, okay, my internet login ID, okay, or anything, my account login ID, so it can be any of that. Okay, so here you can just maintain the contact numbers, important contact numbers, so that way you can write their numbers, 9 or something, some numbers, some random numbers, you can give their names. So John, Ram, or anything. Okay, so like this you can change the number. Okay, and let's see what are the different options we have here. You can change the color of it, so maybe if you can change this to color, all the login IDs, let me make it to a green color so that it can be green, and for others maybe pink, for the contact numbers, or some, for some other sticky pads you can change it to green. I mean, sorry, green is already added, so let us go with the blue. Okay, so this way you can so my daily activities, you can just write my daily activities, what you want to do here. So wake up at gym, lunch, I mean, oh sorry, bro, I'm actually going to lunch, so it should be the breakfast, breakfast, office, lunch, dinner. So like this you can plan your daily activities. Once it is done, so you can just update it as done. It will be the regular daily routine, like that you can add it. So this is how you can add add your sticky notes. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this tutorial. So I'll be coming up with a lot of computer tips and the computer usage, what are the different hidden options that are available and how can we make best use of it. Okay, please do support me, for encourage me for uploading more and more videos. If you like this, give a thumbs up button, and don't forget to share. Thank you.